Well, the absolute irony. If ever we needed proof. Just across the road, by the way. Just pretty much where we're parked. If ever we needed proof that the adventure before dementia lot, i.e. the weekend warriors, have been here before us. Look at this. Well. I mean, just thrown in the bush. Unbelievable. Oh, but that's not all. I never get over this mentality of picking your dog shit up, but then leaving bag in bush. So yeah, hashtag van life crew, hashtag adventure before dementia. I think dementia's already pissing kicked in, mate, because you forgot to take your barbecue thing home with you, and you forgot to take your dog shit home with you. Talk about giving van life a bad name. And yes, I will be getting a black bag and taking that with me, because it's just in front of my van. So yeah, I'll be taking it with me before the keyboard warriors start. This is the problem, guys. This is the problem that we've got. Barbecues, bonfires, part-time weekend warriors that don't give a shit about the countryside, because they're probably never going to come back here, because they only come out once a weekend. Fair weather campers, you know.